Hello, everybody. Today is Wednesday, February 1st. It's 4:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The futures markets have just closed about 5 minutes ago. And on my left, you can see the time in sales. It's just 4 minutes after the close, and the E-mini S&P trading at 2275.75 approximately. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a good day for the auto trader. First up is the DAX on fire with a single short trade, as you can see here, with near perfect execution filled on our limit order and then closed at the bottom here with a couple of ticks of positive slippage, as our daily goal on this one is 2,000, as you can see here, loss limit of 1,500. So very solid in the DAX. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Superenco 6-tick, and the crude oil 6-tick using our line break logic or module. These dots here are our line break signals, and line break is nothing more than, for a short, it's a close below 2 or 3 bars back, whichever you select, or a close above 2 or 3 bars back or more for a long. So this is the low of however many bars back we've selected here, and a break of this will, if we also use limit orders. So here we can see our long signal here, and then we got filled on a pullback once we got our signal. With our line break logic, you can also filter the trades by making sure the bars are blue, or the trend filter, which is our trend indicator, will also be in agreement with the line break signal. This has proven to be a pretty solid methodology in a number of charts and markets. So I'm just going to scroll back a little here. You can see our equity curve. We did take actually quite a bit of heat. No, let's take a look here. Yeah, we took some serious heat in this from the open, almost drew down to our loss limit, but we came back with some really strong trades to finish at 880 for the day. So remember, if you're going to trade a market like the crude, you are going to have to deal with some volatility. It's not always this volatile, but it's why I also show the equity graph. And since we start at 0, we can see our drawdown for the day and our equity high. So we did close at our equity highs. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the 500 tick chart, and this was crude oil inventory day, and I probably didn't turn on the news filter, which would have probably avoided some of this volatility. But nevertheless, we did 750 on this chart, and here's our equity curve. So this one, we didn't take that much heat, about 350, and then we came back with a couple of solid trades at the end here to close at 750 profit for the day. Okay, next up is the gold contract. The gold contract just rolled over the other day, and we did 610 on 2 contracts. This also had a pretty good day yesterday, but I was unable to post the chart. Okay, a regular line break chart, a 1-minute line break chart on the E-mini S&P. We didn't take any heat here, just a few ticks of drawdown. And then we had an equity high of about 800 or so, and had some whipsaws here. There was a Fed announcement today, and it just traded through it. Had I avoided that right here at 2 o'clock, probably would have fared better, but still ended up with 500 for the day. That's pretty good. That's 40 ticks in the E-mini S&P. Okay, our E-mini S&P on the Super 12 tick did 400 for the day on 2 contracts on a single trade. This is a larger time frame. And lastly, we had a modest gain in the bonds of 375. Could have done a little better if we were manually watching this. Probably could have done a lot better had we got out up here, but that would have required a manual close position here. In any case, that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website, or please feel free to contact us at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching.